Hello YouTube, my name is Anirudh and this is my video on the unboxing of the Blackberry Z3. So this phone was exclusively introduced in Indonesia and slowly moved on to other Asian countries. We still don't know if Blackberry will release it in US or the Canadian markets, but if you're from US or Canada, you can buy it online. Looking at the box, it's a really compact design. Has a Blackberry logo on the right, some details on the left, basic information behind as Blackberry likes to do it. So let's start unboxing it. I'll just get my Swiss knife and okay, opening the box. So when you open the box, the first thing you see is the phone itself. Just pull the tab and take it out. Taking the phone out, it has really good build quality. We'll check it out later. Let's open the box. So you get the getting started guide, some more documentation. You get the USB for charging and connecting to your laptop. Get some headphones. See, they seem to be fairly decent. A charger, and yeah, that is it. Nothing else in the box. Let me just put everything back. And get to the phone. So looking at the back, you see it has a matte finish, soft plastic matte finish, and the Blackberry logo in the center. It's really nice to hold, not like the Blackberry Z30, which had a really smooth back cover which could slip out of your hand. Removing the front screen guard, it has a 5-inch screen with 540 by 960 pixels, which gives it a PPI of approximately 220, fairly decent. It has a rear facing camera and it's about 5 megapixel and can shoot full HD, has autofocus and a LED flash. Then the front camera has 1.1 megapixel and can shoot up to 720p video. Then on the left of the phone there's the power button, the volume up, volume down, and the voice control. On the top there's the 3.5mm headphone jack. On the right there is this tab which we can open to put in the micro SD card and the SIM card. It takes a micro SIM. On the bottom there's a charging port, and the back cover is not removable, so it has a 2500 milliampere battery, which could give you up to around 384 hours of standby and 15 hours 30 minutes of talk time. So let's boot this up. So yeah, it's booting now. Let it boot. So it runs Blackberry OS 10, and the specifications of this device include 1.2 GHz dual core processor. The chipset is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 400 and the GPU is an Adreno 305. So yeah, when it boots up you can just tap in the center and it will tell you how much it's processed. It's 13%. Blackberries usually take a long time to boot, so I'm just gonna skip over here. So yeah, it's booted. Okay, select English, agreement, let it load. Okay, I accept it. It's asking me to put in a SIM. I'll just skip that for now. It's asking me to connect to Wi-Fi. I just put in my password. Connect. Okay, done. Skip this. Disable for now. Looking for updates. Okay, it's found an update. I'll update later. Additional updates. Continue. Initial setup complete. Continue. So yeah, now the phone is set up, and I'll just check which operating system is it running. About. So yeah, it's running software Blackberry OS 10.2.1. So it has a fairly good display, runs quite well, has a good weight to it. It weighs around 164 grams, so it's okay, quite light and really comfortable to hold. If you're familiar with the Blackberry interface, it's not really hard to use. You just swipe from the bottom to and unlock the screen, swipe from above to see your notifications, and if you want to see some extra options, you can swipe from above in any app and then just close it by swiping from the bottom. Then you see the Blackberry hub. You can just add whatever you want, your emails, Facebook and everything over here. So that is it for my unboxing and review of the Blackberry Z3. It's a really good phone if you are familiar with the Blackberry interface and you are in that ecosystem. It's a really good buy at just 15,990 Indian rupees or approximately $250 US. So yeah, catch you guys later.